My name is Nicolas Baird. I'm the Senior Mechanical Engineering Manager at Taoglas Antennas. And today, I'd like to introduce to the world our Patriot Antenna. This antenna was specifically designed for the Ford Explorer Police Interceptor, replaces the OEM antenna, and requires no extra drilled holes. So I'd like to introduce the antenna to you and bring you through one of our installs. In commissioning these vehicles, law enforcement requires quite a few antennas to be installed. There's only 58 millimeters in between all the ribs, and that proposes many challenges for off-the-shelf generic solutions. And also, each one of those solutions requires a hole to be drilled into that roof. The most attractive spot to be placing an antenna would be right here where the OEM is, and that's where we designed it. I'd like to take you through the install of the Patriot Antenna and show you just really how easy it is. Remove the OEM antenna and place it in a safe location. Step 2, prep the surface and clean with an alcohol wipe. And just like that, without any further modifications to the roof, we're ready to install our Patriot Antenna. We're going to remove the liners, pass all the cables through the existing hole, align the antenna, and press. Perfect, the antenna is in place. Now we head underneath. Next step, use the provided split washer and nut and tighten the threaded stem. So we designed our antenna to restore all functionality of the OEM antenna without any cutting or splicing. These two Fokker connectors go right into the OEM harness. And just like that, without any extra drilled holes, cutting and splicing of wires, we've installed our Patriot Antenna and restored all functionality of the OEM antenna.